Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can type vertically in your designs and text boxes on Figma. So let us get started right away without any further hesitation. So as you can see, I added a text box like this here for demonstration purposes. And right from the get-go, guys, the only way how we can convert our horizontal text like this into vertical text would be to simply shrink the given text box. You can do that by left-clicking into one of its corners. So let me go with that corner in the bottom right corner. Hold your left mouse, and after that, simply resize your text box till the text itself resembles a perfect vertical text or perfectly vertical text like this. And now you can, for example, move that text box around and do anything you like with it, customize it here on the right hand side on that customization panel. For example, apply a centered alignment to stabilize that vertical text box, or I don't know, use a left or right alignment. I would go with a centered alignment. It makes it look really stable and centered. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.